Well, here we are on First Street in Trenchtown, Culture Yard, and I'm talking with Sophie, Donnette Dowe.
Right.
Yes, daughter of the late great Brent Dowe of the Melodians.
Right.
And also she kind of manages the operations here, and somebody who have a good rapport and do a lot of things. So how was everything with you today?
Everything is quite fine for us today.
Nice, man.
Yeah.
I mean, tell me about the early days when you were growing up, how it was with the Melodians and you know, how they emerged and what your dad was like and as a great artist and songwriter.
Growing up musically?
Yeah, musically.
All right, as a child growing up, seeing my father perform on many stages. I remember one night, my mother took me to the Majestic Theatre that was over by Spanish Town Road. They had a show out there, the Melodians. It was great for me, you know, great feeling for me, knowing that my dad was famous.
Yeah.
And at that time, his music did a reign.
Yeah.
Back in those days.
Yeah, man.
So in 1973, you know, he was male singer for the year with 10 #1 hit songs.
Really? Wow.
Yes.
Wow,
and,
I didn't know that.
By the Rose of Babylon at the time, that was also doing good. So for me, it was all right.
Yeah. So which of your dad's songs would you say are your favorite, you know, the top ones for you that you love the most?
Well, the song I always asks visitors about is By the Rivers of Babylon, because everybody know that song. No matter how far you come from, they know that song.
Wow, that is a classic.
Right.
Yeah.
And many persons didn't know that he was the writer for it.
Yeah.
He wrote it.
Really?
Right.
Wow.
But for me, the one that I really love is something that it relates to what's happening now in the world.
Yes.
Where they said, the going is rough. Down there in Babylon.
Right, yeah man. Yeah, man.
Brothers killing brothers
just for fun. Yeah.
People working hard
in the midday sun.
I still feel the chains
around my feet.
And the cry of poverty from
the
people that we meet.
Tribal war won't solve the problem. Bob used to frequent in here. He had a room in here where he used to live, and yeah, this is really very central to Jamaica's brand and Jamaica's history.
Yeah. And
Donnette is the curator of this, and in many respects, a preserver of our cultural heritage. So big up yourself, Donnette.
Big up yourself.
And thank you very much for this lovely interview.
And thank you
yeah, man.
for representing our community, and also a great man.
Yeah, respect.
One of the best.
Yeah, man, thank you. Donnette Dowe, Sophie, daughter of the late great Brent Dowe of the Melodians.